Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. Today I want to show you the flow from designing a meeting room, have something to show to your stakeholders, getting an offer, and then to the configuration. So we start with the Workspace Designer main page. So we see we can choose between variation of meeting rooms. I go for the large meeting room now here, and I can go through various steps to configure this meeting room. But for the time being, I just say skip all. I'll change a few things. Let's say the meeting experience should be Microsoft Teams, and the walls should be like on the right-hand side, glass without any acoustic treatments. So not a great thing to do. And let's say make the room a little bit longer as well. There we go, just to have it not fully standard. So after having configured the room, I just go to the view blueprint. It will generate me a nice blueprint I can either download, or I can go down and see how the room dimensions look like, the technical equipment needed, and also some feedback on about these hints I saw earlier. It will show me the camera coverage, so a lot of detail is shown here. But I would just like to add it to the cart because I was happy and I would like buy this meeting room as I configured it. And then I'll go to the shopping cart. And what I can now do is I can export the content of this shopping cart to a file. So I'll do export to file here. I'll save it in my folder. And maybe as a little remark, there are certain elements which may not be exported to CCW. So you have to keep in mind that some things may have to be added separately. Now, CCW. I go to CCW where you can create estimates, which I'm going to do now. And then I'll have the possibility to import a saved configuration. I say book of material import. I browse to the file I generated earlier, and then I say upload file. There we go. So I have now imported the configuration I generated earlier. So I have the device, I have the camera, I have the wall mount navigator. It's all there, and this can be then shared with your Cisco representative or with your partner to ask for a quote. I took a screenshot earlier, and basically what I can do with this screenshot, I can go ahead and create a nicer image. Okay, I actually like this image as it is like this. I like it like neat, like not too much stuff there. But let's say you would like to have a more suitable image for this customer or for your environment, then we offer prompts for you to generate more authentic, more colorful images there. Help photorealistic renders, and then I can go here and choose what kind of meeting room I would like to export. I get an idea on how it may look like, and then you can copy and paste this prompt we offer on this help side down here. I can see Gemini is still busy with generating this image, and there we go. So it has generated an image for me. So I told it to be in the beautiful town of Basel, and it should add some Lego people to the picture. We have the equipment ordered, it has arrived. I go ahead and generate a workspace. So I say like, okay, add workspace because I want to add the device to a workspace, to a room. I say large room 1. I don't select anything else here. Of course, here I have to select a location, and I go next. I add a device type. Then I can choose a few configuration parameters here to set up the meeting room. and I'll add a MAC address here. So in this case, I just add a dummy MAC address. Hope it's not been used before. It was a EQ codec, and it was in Microsoft Teams Rooms mode. So basically, when I now go ahead and plug in the device with this MAC address, it will start to deploy itself with the configurations I have applied. But what I want to show now is not the further configuration of the device, which is really cool. I want to talk a little bit about the workspace. So I can now go ahead and set up the workspace, and I can import the workspace from the Workspace Designer. So I take the link I generated earlier, import it here, and there we go. It actually comes up the way I defined it earlier. So with a glass wall on the side. Our peripherals are not shown yet. The same is true for this screen there. It's going to be a dual screen system, but the really cool thing is it will later on show as dual screen device as soon as these two screens have been connected to the codec. It will actually take the screen sizes and you'll see them here, and it will not be gray anymore, but it will be in color. So we saw the creating the design, ordering the device, making a even nicer picture of the meeting room, to in the end like adding the meeting room to Control Hub and how it looks like. You can also then manage it from there. So I hope it helped. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.